YouTubers, it's Hawaii Girl of Hawaii Girl Adventures. We did an off-road run through the Potosi Pass Road in Mount Potosi, Nevada. The road in the northwest section of the run was wide and easy. We passed through several areas with private property signs. And we also stopped at the highest point of the pass to enjoy the views. We got to the Potosi mine marker, but didn't go up the road to the mine. Actually, we ended up going up the wrong trail instead of the Potosi Spring Road. Not sure where this trail led to, so we turned around and got back onto the pass road. From the pass road, we turned onto Dean Road and stopped to get photos of the rusted old truck here. Continuing on, we got a little rock crawling over this short but fun section. We got out to check out the terrain and discuss how we would get over this rocky section.
A little bit driver. Good driver. No, back up. Back up. Okay, stop. Do it again. Driver. Okay, passenger. Start passenger.
As you can see, I was guided well by Julie. We parked at the side of this wash where we got some super views of the mountains. The dry falls here provided some fun rock scrambling. Seriously beautiful rock here in this wash right below the Potosi mine. After that, I flew my drone and got some footage. Before I fly my drone, I always check the airspace using the Aloft Air Control app. I use both the desktop and the mobile app version. This app is super easy to use and shows my location and what airspace I'm in. It gives me peace of mind by providing real-time FAA airspace data that helps to ensure safe and legal drone operations within the U.S. airspace. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. On our way out, we followed Dean Road back onto the Pass Road, continuing through the southwest section of our run. The southwest section opens up into the flat desert where the road gets much more rocky with several washouts. We continued on to Pahrump Road, then got into the town of Santee Valley where we aired back up. Mahalo for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.